What's not to like about these? They are so perfectly balanced, with a satisfying cakey texture, without sacrificing that deep chocolatey flavor. It is a dessert that is very easy to make, and with the proper technique, will lead to amazing results. They are also truly made from scratch, from simple but quality ingredients. You may notice that I use oil, and not butter. The oil makes the brownie moist. The proper technique for this brownie is to start with separating the yolks and egg whites. Then start beating the egg whites in a large bowl, using a mixer or a whisk. The egg whites are done in about 3 minutes, when they are foamy, and the peaks that form hold their shape. Also, if you tilt the bowl, the foam should not slide. Using the same mixer, that you don't need to wash, combine the yolks and sugar. Mix well for about 3 minutes, until the volume is almost double, and the color light yellow. Then add the oil, and mix just until combined, and the sugar dissolved. Transfer the yolks in the larger bowl with the egg whites. Start mixing gently with a spoon or spatula. As you mix, you have to rotate the bowl too. No need for a perfect mixture here. It is important to be very gentle and not deflate the batter, because the air bubbles give the cakey texture. Time to add the dry ingredients. You have to sift them through a fine sieve to prevent the formation of lumps. Now you have to mix all the ingredients together, very gently. It takes 3 to 4 minutes until you have an uniform batter. This is your brownie batter. I'm using a glass baking pan that is 32 centimeters long, 20 centimeters wide, and 5 centimeters deep. I'm rubbing some butter on it, to make the brownie smell nice. Then pour the batter into the pan, and level. Bake for approximately 30 to 35 minutes in the oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Check after 30 minutes. And test for doneness with a toothpick, leave it longer if not fully done. While the brownie is cooling down, prepare the topping. Bring the whipping cream and vanilla to boil. Add the chocolate chopped in small pieces. Cover, and let the chocolate melt for approximately 5 minutes. Then mix with a spoon until you get a uniform chocolate mixture. Let cool down to room temperature. Put the finishing touches by spreading the chocolate mixture on top of the brownie. The topping makes the brownie so perfectly balanced, rich chocolate flavor with a light cakey texture. I like to add toasted walnuts that complement the taste of the brownie and look so pretty on top. After the brownie is decorated, must be left in the refrigerator for a few hours or overnight. This easy-to-make recipe turns into a decadent and satisfying dessert, a real masterpiece. Enjoy!